Hi everyone, this is Sam Crane the Heart, and I'm here to share a couple of things: an eBay haul, a club haul, and my projects for the Relax and Scrap Challenge. I don't know if it's a birthday challenge or an anniversary challenge. So let's get into it. First is an eBay haul. So there are a couple things that I was interested for the Club La La Land Crafts. And so I got two of these. I'm from the same seller, and they have a like best price, so or best offer or whatever it is. So you can actually ask the seller if they would sell it to you for cheaper. So I think this was selling for, I don't know, $34.99 or something like that. And I offered 25, I think, and for both of these, and my offer was accepted. So I paid $50 plus shipping for both of these. I'm going to show you guys. So here's the first one. This was for the June 2018 Club La La Land Crafts. It's a little sewing one. It's super cute. And because one of these has an error, it came with an extra little clear stamp. So it says love you. It's supposed to say beyond measure, but it's spelled incorrectly. It says beyond, Beyond. So there's a little clear stamp that got included, which is really cute. I really love not just the stamps are really cute, but I really love the dies that come with it. So you get a sewing machine, a pincushion, scissors, and you get a dress form and a dress die, plus is really cute sewing fairies and a little sewing Marcy, which I think is adorable. So, and then this was the March 2018 Club La La Land Crafts, and I love this because it's a little dancing girl. So it's a ballerina. You get Ballet Marcy along with the sentiments and the dancing bears, and the ballet slippers, the tutu, and the ribbon corner, which I love that. And they're brand new. So I did get those two. And then I just absolutely adored the kit for this month, which this is March 2019. And it's a baking one. And the dies are just so adorable. So you get everything you can see here if you choose to get the kind of the complete kit, which is the best value, honestly. So it's $40 plus shipping. So I think it's like $45, and you get the Marcy and all the sentiments. You get these little cute hamsters, and then you get the dies, and the dies are really, really cute. So you get your mixer and your bowl. You get your two pieces for your cupcake. And then you get this one, which I didn't use yet, which is the layered cake, which I'm really excited about the layered cake. So you get those dies. And then this is what else I used for my projects. I'm going to show you guys. I use the Home Sweet Home. This is out of my scrap bin. I'm working for the next, I don't know, probably to the end of April, as much as possible on scrap bin projects. So things that are in my scrap bin that are laying around, there are bits and pieces flying out all over the place, I'm trying to use. Or even I've got a kit I'm going to show you guys in my next video that I had gotten and I never used. That was in there. It's a little teeny tiny kit. Anyway, this is the Home Sweet Home by Carta Bella, and it got completely used to the point where I was using little tiny bits of scrap, and I actually had to find a little bit of scrap from different other collections in my scrap bin to complete my projects. So that one is done. And then I didn't have a lot of sheets of that, I'll be honest. I literally had bits and pieces. And then I also used my very, very favorite, love these to death, La La Land Crafts little circle hearts. They just give a little extra something to a lot of projects. And I love them. I'm using them quite a bit. So let's get into my projects. First is the Relax and Scrap tag. So like I said, I just layered bits and pieces of that collection on here, and I had like just enough of this gingham paper to paper piece her apron. This piece right here actually came from another collection. I don't know what it is. It's in my scrap bin, so it's just a little tiny piece I was able to fit the mixer on. And so that is my tag. I think it came out so cute. I colored her in with my Copics, and I just used like a lot of pieces of that paper that I had left. Just layered it all together onto one. And then the back, this little card was also my scrap bin. I have no idea where it came from, but it was in there. So I cut it down to fit the back of my tag, and this is where I'm going to write my information. And then I just had this extra bowl that I didn't use. I don't know why I didn't use it, but anyway, I have this extra bowl. So I stuck it there so I didn't want to waste it. And so that's my tag. And then I also wanted to send a little gift. So this is what I made. So these are just circle embellishments. And so I just used a scallop circle. And then in glitter paper, I used that heart circle die that I love. And I layered that on top. And then I cut 2 mixers and bowls and 2 cupcakes and put those together and made some cute embellishments. And I really love how that came out. And I used paper that kind of was in the same color palette as that cooking paper. And it's from another collection that's in my scrap bin. So I was able to use that as well. And then this is my new favorite thing, which is just hot gluing a clip to the back of your topper, and then that way it can be reused. It's easy for the person to access it. I think it's really cute, and it gave me an opportunity to use one of the little hamsters because I didn't get to use all the hamsters in this project. So I use this cute little hamster. It says whipped up just for you, and then this is from an American Crafts paper that's in my scrap bin, and this tiny little scrap is from that Cartabella cooking paper. I mean, I literally use like every single scrap of that. And then it just clips on there. And it's just really cute. So that is my project for Relax and Scrap and my little haul. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane with a heart.